I uncover my eyes, and what do I see? I see you, and I see me. I see my fingers. I see my toes. I see my tummy, but I can't see my nose. What else do you see? I see many friends. Welcome to the Early On. We offer programs and services for children 0 to 6 years old and their parents and caregivers in Brantford and Brant County. There are so many things to see. Do you want to play I Spy with me? Great! Let's play with this sun catcher ornament that I made. I'll describe something in the ornament, and you tell me what you think I was looking at. I spy with my little eye something that is brown. What do you think it is? Yes, I see brown leaves. Here we go again. I spy with my little eye something that is green. What could I be looking at? You're right. There is a green leaf. I was thinking of the green string. Are you ready to guess? One more time. I spy with my little eye something that has stripes. I was looking at this leaf with stripes. You are such a great detective. I think you could find things to make your very own ornament. When your grown-up is ready, get dressed for the weather and go collect. For now, I'll show you how to make your own sun catcher ornament. I made my tree ornament with water. Oops, I spilled some. Leaves and branches from my houseplants. I cut a piece of yarn really long so that I could loop it many times to make a very strong hanger, because once the water freezes and becomes ice, it will be heavy, and I don't want it to fall off the tree branch and break. So I folded my yarn in half, and in half again, and half again. Then I'll tie it in a knot so it stays this way. Tight. These will be lots of loops to hang on the tree. Then I put my leaves and branches, some green, some dried and brown. That might be what we find outside right now, inside my dish. And then I poured in the water. I have a dish from my kitchen, or you could use something from your recycling bin. Maybe you have a margarine container or a pie plate. Anything that's not too deep and that could hold leaves and some water thick enough that it will become ice, and not so thin or thick that it will be hard to get out of your container without breaking. With all the leaves inside, let's pour water in to cover them. The more water I add, the higher the leaves go, because some of them float. I put a little too much water in, so I poured some out. Now push the leaves down into the water. They don't all have to be in the water though. They can stick out. I almost forgot! I need to put the yarn in the water so the ornament can hang. And I will put this in my freezer while I go to sleep tonight. In the morning, it will be like the ornament that I showed you. If it's cold enough where you are, less than 0 degrees Celsius, you could leave your dish of water outside to freeze. Once the water is frozen, you can put the dish inside somewhere warm for a little bit so that you can pull the ornament out of the container. Or if your dish is not glass, you could run the dish under warm water for a few minutes, and that will loosen your ornament so you can hang it on the tree. Enjoy watching the sun shine through your ornament. Thanks for joining our early on activity today.